In today's video, I'll show you how to add a contact in Zoho Desk so you can keep your customer information organized and easy to access. Whether you're just getting started or need a quick refresher, this process is simple and straightforward. Start by logging into your Zoho Desk account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left side menu and head to the Customers module. This section is where all customer and contact related data is managed. Inside Customers, click on Contacts to open the Contacts page where you can see a list of all existing contacts in your system. At the top of the Contacts page, look for the Add option, usually shown as a plus icon. Click on it and a new form will open. Here, enter the contact's details such as name, email address, phone number, and any other information that's relevant for your support workflow. Adding accurate and complete details makes future communication and ticket management much easier. Once you've filled in the required information, scroll down and click Save. The contact will be added instantly and will appear in your contacts list, ready to be used for tickets and customer interaction. And that's it. You've successfully added a contact in Zoho Desk. Keeping your contacts updated helps your support team stay efficient and deliver better customer service. Thanks for watching and happy managing.